Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will introduce 5 mistakes that beginners tend to make when removing gel polish. If you remove the gel in your own way without knowing the correct knowledge, your nails will become thin and brittle, and you will damage your nails. This time, I will introduce 5 mistakes that beginners tend to make along with how to avoid damaging your nails, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. After about 3 weeks of applying gel, your nails will grow, gaps will appear at the base, and the gel begins to peel off, so you need to remove the gel. And this is called gel removal. When removing the gel, it is important to remove it correctly. Otherwise, the nail may be damaged or it may not be removed properly. Therefore, I would like to introduce the correct method of gel removal along with 5 mistakes that beginners tend to make when removing gel nails. First of all, my nails are getting long, so I'll remove the gel polish with polish remover. This is a mistake that beginners in particular tend to make. Gel polish cannot be removed with polish remover. Polish remover is used to remove nail polish, but it cannot be used on gel polish. Some people also choose gel cleaners or gel cleansers, but this is also a mistake. Gel cleaners are used to wipe off uncured gel left on the nail after applying gel, so they cannot be used to remove gel. Use gel remover to remove gel. To remove the gel, use a gel remover that contains 100% acetone. The second thing. Now that you have the correct gel remover, so let's soak it in and remove it right away. This is also a mistake. If you soak the remover without doing anything, it will not soak in. The reason for this is the smooth surface. The top coat applied last is too smooth and repels the remover. In order to thoroughly soak the remover into the gel, you need to file it down with the file beforehand. This is to make it easier for the remover to soak in, so it's okay if you scratch the entire nail and remove the smooth areas. Scratching the surface makes it easier for the remover to soak in, which also saves time. Then, the third thing. After scratching the nail with the file, soak cotton in remover, place it on the nail, rub it in aluminum foil or a clip, wait 15 minutes, and when the gel has softened, peel it off with the pusher. Now, this is also wrong. The correct way is to use a wood stick. Metal pushers are originally intended for nail care. If you use this pusher to remove the gel, the hard metal will scrape the surface of the nail, which will damage your nail. Therefore, when removing the gel, be sure to use a wooden stick to gently remove the gel. Then, the fourth thing. Remove the softened gel with the wooden stick. There are some hard spots, but that's okay. Scrape it off. No, never force it off. If you forcefully peel it off, the gel will come off along with the surface of the nail. And if you do this, your nails will become thin in one time. If there are any hard spots that are difficult to remove, soak it in the remover again and wait for another 5 minutes. This will soften the hard spots and make them easier to remove, so stop forcing it off. Finally, the fifth thing. The gel has been completely removed, and that's it. But that's not the end of it. After removing the gel, your nails and skin will be very dry. In particular, the skin will become so dry that it turns whitish. This is because the gel remover has taken away oils such as sebum. If left like this, your skin and nails will become rough. Therefore, after removing your nails, first, wash your hands to remove any remover or shavings remaining on your skin. Then, apply plenty of nail oil or hand cream to moisturize. However, if you plan to apply gel again after removing the gel, do not apply nail oil or hand cream. If you apply nail oil before applying the gel will not adhere well. If you are going to apply gel right after removing your gel polish, moisturize after you have applied all the base, color, and top coats. What did you think of these 5 mistakes that beginners tend to make when removing gel polish? Removing your gel polish correctly will prevent damage to your nails, so please take note of this. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.